Sup everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video equipping you to take control of your financial destiny. On this channel we talk about side hustles, ways to make money online, investing, and personal finance in general. And in this video we're going to be talking about an investment platform called M1 Finance. The short story of M1 Finance is it's a platform you can use to invest, and it's known for its autonomous features. With that being the case, some people are a little confused as far as how does it work in general, investing, when it comes to M1 Finance. Now I've done a review of M1 Finance in this video, and this addresses everything. So if you're looking for like a very broad overview of the whole platform, you want to check that review out. But just addressing this specific question, how does investing work? Well, we're actually gonna use me as a guinea pig as an example. I've moved some money to the M1 Finance account that I have. And if you don't know how to deposit money in M1 Finance, you want to check this video out. Once you know how to do that, then this will make more sense. But we're going to move over to the app, and I'm going to explain in detail exactly how does investing work and what's the benefit of M1 Finance. Then you can decide, well, based on that, because the whole platform is centered around this concept, then maybe this is the investment platform for me, or maybe it's not. So let's go over to the app. So I'm going to open the M1 Finance app up. You'll want to put your PIN number in. Obviously, I'm going to skip this part. And we're going to briefly explain exactly how does M1 Finance work. Now, we'll cover how to make a portfolio or pie in another video, but we'll go over the basic concept here. So you have the option to select a number of stocks or ETFs or mutual funds or index funds, and you can put them in a conglomeration called a portfolio or pie. And we're just going to take a look at my pie. Now, if y'all want details on all these companies and the pie itself, let me know. Maybe we'll take a look at making a video on that. But as y'all can see, you see percentages. Anytime I add money to the M1 Finance platform, it has the potential to get split up among all of my stocks or ETFs in my whole portfolio. And that will only happen if I have auto invest on. So this little line right above the managed pie, I'm gonna scroll that up, and we see that auto invest is off. We also see that there's money in my account. Now, if your balance exceeds $20 and auto invest is on, then those funds will automatically be split up among your portfolio based on the percentages that you've set. If you do want details on how those percentages work, once again, you want to check the video out on how to make a pie on M1 Finance. But what we're going to do in this video is I'm actually going to turn auto investing back on, because I want this balance redistributed into my portfolio. So I do want to make a small correction. It looks like the balance has been up to 25. So if you have a minimum of $25 in your account, that's when your money will be split up among your portfolio. So I'm turning auto invest on, and I can set a minimum balance myself. I'm fine with keeping it how it is, which is 25. So I'm going to back out of that. And look what happened. The moment I did that, it says I have upcoming trades coming up. So I click on view details, and it's letting me know how this $85 is going to be split up because I turned auto invest on. Now, if I turn auto invest back off, let's see what happens. See how it goes back to no trades. Now I want it actually on because I want those funds to be distributed, so I'm going to turn it back on, but I just want y'all to see that. So an important thing to keep in mind is that the trading window is always going to be the next day, unless you happen to put the money in early enough, like before like 9 o'clock. Most of the time that might not be the case, but just keep that in mind. But this in a nutshell is how investing works on M1 Finance. So it's a great way to split up your money based on where you want it to go. And you can have it very autonomous if you want. And that's why personally it's my favorite investing platform. So after viewing that, you should have a better understanding of what M1 Finance has to offer you as an investor. And if you don't care much for what we talked about in the few minutes ago, maybe M1 Finance isn't for you. But some of y'all may really like that feature like myself. I love having my money split up among my whole portfolio and having M1 Finance keep the percentages in check. I really like that. But that does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. If you haven't signed up for M1 Finance and you're interested, you can do so by clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment. For disclosure, that's an affiliate link. It supports the channel, but they usually do have a sign-on bonus of some sort, usually ranging between $5 and $30. So that's something to take into consideration. If you found value in this video, giving it a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Consider subscribing if you're new, hitting that bell notification so you can be notified when I come out with another M1 Finance video or investing video in general. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.